Hello everybody, and basically we're just going to be going through the basics of running idle. Okay, so I've got idle here on my taskbar, so I'll just click it there. Okay, and we come into the idle interactive shell here, and simply we can work in here if you want to. So let's say print hello, and we're going to say times 3. Okay, hit enter, and there you go. So that's basically the idle shell, so you can type anything you want in there, so long as it's valid, of course. Okay, but what you do if you want to work with it as an IDE, you go up to File in the corner here, and then click on Open. No, don't click on Open. That's if you want to. You click on Open here if you want to open a Python file which is already on your hard drive. But if you want to create a new file, just go here, click New File, and it'll open a new window. Let's fully extend it there. And basically you can type your code in here. So anything like, I'm going to put string 1 is equal to this is a test working with idle or idle, whatever way you want to pronounce it. Okay, and print string 1. Print string 1 here, and now we've got to save it. So I suggest you save it to a Python folder in my documents. So save as. So I'm going to save it to my Python folder here. So click on there, give it a name like test.py. It's always got to be a .py when you save your files. So click save here. Then we go up to the run menu here, click on run and click run module, and you will see it there. It will open another window, and there you are. This is a test working with idle, so you can just close that window there, and every time you run your program like this, run, it will open the window again for you, a new window. Right, of course we've got the options along here, configure idle. Okay, this is one of the most important options, I think. So you can alter your font here, use different fonts, use bold font or light font. Okay, you've got your highlights, you can use your custom themes here in idle. So at the moment I'm on idle dark, so you get the choice here. Your keys, your windows, and your shell, and your extensions, but I never bother with any of those. Basically for me it's just the fonts that I use here and the size of the font, also whether the font is bold or not, and then just click apply and OK there. So it's very easy to work with idle. I work with it over a lot of IDs. Okay, and I'm just going to show you something else as well. We have like a kind of autocomplete here, so got the autocomplete on here as well, which is very handy, but it doesn't pop up by default most of the time. Sometimes it does. So let's say, I'll give you an example here. This is a string. Okay, so to dot. Okay, so nothing's coming up now. Oh, it is. Talk of the devil. Sometimes it doesn't. You can change any of these. You know, you can use that as an autocomplete. Let's try another one, another string. Okay, dot. Okay, if nothing comes up, which it has, then usually it doesn't, but if nothing comes up, what you do is you press your dot and then you press control and space bar, control and space, like that. So you need to press Control CTRL plus your space bar to get the menu 9 times out of 10. Usually for me, when I put something on there, the autofill list doesn't come up, so I've got to press the control and space bar on my computer. Okay, I hope that's been helpful to you. If it has, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.